At AMETEK Engineered Medical Components, we design and manufacture devices that make better outcomes possible. Our engineers strive to become an extension of our customers' team, working in partnership to solve the toughest design, development, manufacturing, and supply chain challenges. As the result of the merger of two leading contract design and manufacturing organizations, AMETEK Engineered Medical Components delivers over 40 years of expertise in precision laser, fine wire, catheter design, catheter assembly, custom interconnects, and custom cables. Our FDA-registered and ISO-certified facilities deliver a comprehensive array of assembly and manufacturing solutions developed specifically to service innovative, leading-edge medical device companies around the world. Today, we offer an ever-expanding list of capabilities in collaborative design and precision engineering services through a global network of manufacturing facilities. The components and systems we design and manufacture are used in medical devices developed to treat a wide variety of diseases and conditions. Working with our highly skilled engineers and technicians enables and enhances our customers' capacity to engineer better devices for physicians and their patients around the world. Partnering with you, we are engineering better outcomes. AMETEK Engineered Medical Components.